Hello everyone. If you're able to see me and hear me, please type 1 in the chat box. Thank you for confirming. So first and foremost, I would like to acknowledge the fact that you are all here, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart because you could be doing so many other things. And I know time is the most valuable asset, and I will try to give the best value of your time. And this is a 90-minute session, and today's session is about our Diploma in Cosmetic Science course. I'll be explaining the complete syllabus of the Diploma in Cosmetic Science course. So in between today's session, if you have any questions, you can always post it in the chat box so that I'll be able to answer your questions. So kindly take notes because one idea can help you a lot when you start your own business. So this course, Diploma in Cosmetic Science course, will definitely help you to become an entrepreneur, this course will definitely help you to start your own cosmetics brand. So let us start today's session. So in the Diploma in Cosmetic Science course, you will be learning to formulate cosmetic products that do more than 100 types of cosmetic products using natural and luxury category ingredients. You'll be learning to formulate from scratch, and the ingredients also will be using more than 200 types of natural luxury category ingredients. You'll be learning about the benefits of those ingredients, using it in the formulation, and you'll be formulating cosmetic products. So this course is conducted through offline mode as well as in online mode. So offline mode is in BTM Layout Bangalore, and I hope most of you are from Bangalore. So if you can also join the offline classes in BTM Layout, and there is also an option to join in the online course. If you are not from Bangalore or if you are working, then you can also learn the classes through online mode. So let me introduce myself. My name is Rixie Margaret, and I am the trainer for the Diploma in Cosmetic Science course, which is conducted by the Institute of Cosmetic Science. And I have completed international programs in the field of cosmetic science and have more than 10 years experience in this field. Also, I am a central government certified TOT trainer. Also, I have been conducting online and offline classes in cosmetic science and have trained over 5,000 people, helped a lot of women and men to become an entrepreneur. So that is the mission of our academy too. Our academy is located in the Outer Ring Road in BTM Layout, and we offer professional diploma in cosmetic science course in the academy. And our academy is affiliated to National Skill Development Corporation. And these are the certificates of our academy. Our academy is ISO certified, MSME certified, NISD certified. Also, we are a lifetime member of the International Federation of Society of Cosmetic Chemists, and this is our GST certificate, NSDC affiliation, and incorporation certificate. So, let me explain about our Diploma in Cosmetic Science course. It is a 6 months course, and it is a beginner friendly course. The timing of the classes is from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. If it is online or offline, the timings remain the same. And it is Monday to Friday. Even if you join the offline classes, you get access to the LMS portal. That is, you can watch the classes after the course is over. Also, you get all the recordings of the classes. And in the academy, you get hands-on practice with materials. You can formulate cosmetic products, and we will be there to guide you. And you'll also be getting the books and raw materials required for the course. And there will be some tests that will be conducted by the academy. And after the course, you'll be getting a very valuable certificate and a memento, which will be given by the Institute of Cosmetic Science. So the course cosmetic science is a very advanced course. It is the most advanced course which is conducted by our academy. And in this, we teach to formulate over 100 types of cosmetic products, and we'll be using more than 200 types of cosmetic ingredients, and we'll be learning in detail about the different components and parts of the formulation. That is, we'll be making the formulation from scratch, and the every phase of the formulation, that is water phase, oil phase, cool down phase, and heating phase, everything will be learning in detail. So this is a beginner friendly course, so you don't have to have any experience in this field. We'll be teaching everything in detail, and also you'll be learning about good manufacturing practice, that is how to sanitize the place, how to sanitize the equipments and all the raw materials, everything we'll be learning. And the main focus is, once you complete the course, definitely you will be able to start your own cosmetics brand. That is the main focus of the course. And not only that, we'll be teaching about how you should start your social media channel, how you should post the videos, how you should edit the videos, how you should run the ads. Every single detail required for starting your own cosmetics brand will be teaching in the course. So the programs, once you complete the program, the course, you'll have at least 50,000 worth products which you would have formulated during the course. And also you'll have a very valuable certificate from the Institute of Cosmetic Science. And also you should have all the knowledge about the raw materials, where to get all the raw materials, how to set up your own lab. Every detail will be teaching in the course. And during the course itself, we'll encourage you to start your own social media channels like YouTube page and Instagram page. So during the course itself, you'll keep a name for your business, and you will start your own YouTube channel and Instagram page. So during the course, you'll be formulating many cosmetic products, right? That time you can take videos which you can post in the Instagram and in YouTube. So at the end of the course, you will have hundreds of videos already running in your social media channel. So during the course itself, definitely you will start getting orders and you'll be able to earn money while learning. And also you get networking with other formulators who are doing the course. And also we have a Facebook support group. You also become a part of the Facebook support group. Again, that support also is for lifetime, and we will be conducting monthly question answer session. Everything will happen during the course. So I welcome each and every one of you who have joined today's session. And today's session is about our Diploma in Cosmetic Science course. So I just explained the benefits of the Diploma in Cosmetic Science course. So let me explain the complete syllabus so that you get a complete idea what you're going to learn in the Diploma in Cosmetic Science course. So we will be starting with introduction, that is skin analysis, holistic skincare, and why you should formulate your own cosmetic products. What is the difference between market-based products and handmade cosmetic products, and how to become a confident skincare formulator. And the most important thing is, what are the equipments required for formulation, ingredients used during cosmetic formulation, and you should know what are the different types of skincare cosmetics that are available in market, what are the different types of cosmetics you will be able to formulate. And we learn to formulate products based on your product story. That is something that inspired you. If it is nature, or if you want to make only kids based products, kid friendly products, or you want to formulate exclusive products for men. So likewise, we'll be creating a product story, and based on that, you will be able to formulate cosmetic products. And product concept behind same like product story, if you should have a concept, like if you want to formulate vegan cosmetic products, or if you want to formulate organic cosmetic products, all that will be learning, and will be focusing on that. And good manufacturing practice, how to sanitize your lab equipments, how to set up everything, and formulation basics. So in this course, you'll be learning to create a formulas from scratch, and also to create formulation layer by layer, how you should make the formulation, like emulsifiers, surfactants, essential oils, fragrance oils, all that we'll be learning. And formulation flow chart, in the way of flow chart also we'll be doing the formulation, and what are the skills and techniques required for formulation, and how to do the calculations for the formulation, everything we'll be learning. And also how to check the pH of the product, how to increase the pH level or how to decrease the pH level, how to use the preservatives and how to extend the shelf life of the product, and different types of facial oils. So we will start formulation starting with facial oils. That is according to the skin type, how to formulate a facial oil for a dry skin, for a oily skin, mature skin, sensitive skin, and how you can blend different oils together. So then we'll be starting to formulate oil-based serums, body and massage oil, and body sprints. So we'll be formulating the serum based on the skin type also, according to dry skin separately, oily skin, sensitive skin, and cleansing oil also we'll be doing. So these are the products which we'll be doing practically. So we'll be formulating Moringa dry oil, body sprints, and coconut and lime body oil, soothing and relaxing massage and bath oil, balancing and uplifting massage and bath oil, avocado and hemp facial oil for dry skin, grapeseed, hazelnut, and rosehip oil, pomegranate and calendula facial serum for oily skin. So all these products will be giving you the raw materials and will be teaching you how to formulate these products, and you will be doing it practically. So in this course, we provide the raw material. So only thing is you'll have to learn, you have to attend the classes, do along with us if you are doing it online, or if it is offline in the academy, we'll be showing you how to formulate and you'll be able to do the products. Age Defy Radiant Serum with coenzyme Q10, lavender and bergamot bath oil, and apricot and grapeseed cleansing oil, peach and grapeseed cleansing oil, pomegranate cleansing oil, gel, and mixed fruit cleansing gel. So almost like 11 different products, sorry, 12 different products you'll be doing practically in the module. Next is butters and balms. So you'll be learning about anhydrous butters and balms, and bedtime body butters, whipped body butter, balms and salves, and lip balm, gel balm, cleansing balm. In this practical lessons, you will be learning camellia and grapeseed cleansing gel, and ylang ylang and sweet almond cleansing balm, lavender and cocoa bedtime body butter, whipped shea butter for dry skin, and sweet orange and cocoa whipped body butter, mango whipped body butter, simple lip balm formulation incorporating emulsifying wax. So before few days, I had posted a video about a body butter. So we'll be learning directly. We'll be giving you the raw materials and you'll be formulating the body butters. Lip balm formulated using sea buckathon CO2 extract and vegan calendula salve, and multi-purpose moisturizing sea buckathon balm, and rose beauty balm, ultra protective lip balm with lanolin, moisturizing gel balm, frankincense cleansing balm, luxurious mango cleansing butter. All these products will be formulating. And bath and body soaks will be formulating. Spa style soaks will be formulating, and bath, foot and hand soaks will be formulating. In that practical lessons, we'll be doing relaxing rose and milk bath soak, peppermint foot soak, sea salt and goat milk bath soak, and coconut milk bath soap. All these four products will be formulating. And exfoliants and scrubs will be formulating. Introduction to exfoliating scrubs and polishes, getting to know different types of exfoliants like coffee powder, walnut powder, and sugars. We'll be using different types of exfoliants and we'll be formulating body scrub, lip scrub, facial scrub. And in this practical lessons, we'll be formulating grapefruit and geranium body scrub, mango, coconut, and sugar lip scrub, grapefruit, orange, and calendula facial scrub, peach and poppy seed body scrub, vanilla and shea sugar scrub, lemon and orange lip scrub. All these products will be formulating practically. Toners, princess, mists, and gel. In that, we'll be learning introduction to toners, princess, mists, and gel. formulating facial mist, formulating toner and toner with alcohol and gels. In that practical lessons, we'll be formulating hydrating rose aloe cucumber facial mist, juniper berry and lemon toner, green tea toner, hydrating hyaluronic acid toner, moisturizing hyaluronic acid facial gel. We'll be formulating all the products practically. And then we all will move on to emulsion. In that, we'll be learning what is an emulsion, surfactants and its uses, how to make an emulsion, how to choose a emulsifier, and if there is any issues during the formulation, how to troubleshoot the stability of the product. So in that, we'll be learning formulating a cream, how to formulate a facial cream, a lotion for face and body, and how to formulate for different types of skin, and how to formulate a oil-free moisturizer, oil-free moisturizer and all. It is an international product. And we'll be learning how to formulate emulsified body butter, how to formulate a body milk. And the most important part is what are the Indian Cosmetics Regulation Act. All that we'll be learning. And in that practical lessons, we'll be formulating lavender facial lotion, oil-free moisturizer, facial lotion with licorice and niacinamide, and the geranium and macadamia body lotion, coconut and shea body butter, frankincense face cream for mature skin. I know many of you are beginners and you'll be listening to these names for the first time. These all the products which we are teaching in the course are international products. You will never find these kind of ingredients in Indian brands. So all these are international products. So floral moisturizing lotion, sweet summer body milk, eye cream with caffeine and ceramide complex, soothing cleansing lotion, olive exfoliating lotion. All this will be doing practically. And then we'll be learning about hair care formulation according to the different types of hair and hair anatomy and property and structure of the hair. The basics we'll be learning, hair types and shape, hair growth cycle and loss. So only if we understand the about the hair, about the skin, the basics at least, we'll be able to formulate the right products. So how to formulate a shampoo, different types of surfactants used in hair care, how to use the active ingredients, thickeners used in hair care, conditioning ingredients used in hair care, preservatives and chelators used in hair care, pearlizers, fragrance, colorants used, active ingredients and botanical. All the theory also will be learning, and formulating a shampoo for different types of hair, formulating a regular shampoo, formulating a clarifying shampoo, daily use shampoo, anti-dandruff shampoo, shampoo bar. All this theory will be learning, and the formulation guidelines will be learning, and we'll be learning about the different types of conditioners, introduction to conditioners, formulating a conditioner for different types of hair, and rinse of conditioner, leave-in conditioner. And in the practical lessons, we'll be formulating citrus burst clarifying shampoo, rosemary and bringraj daily use shampoo, kelp and mint conditioning shampoo, anti-dandruff shampoo, and fragrant orange solid shampoo bars. Solid shampoo bars are very famous internationally. So we'll be doing that in the academy. And eco-friendly solid shampoo bar, shea and coconut rinse of conditioner, leave-in conditioner, intense conditioner, lavender and mandarin detangling spray, herbal boost co-wash for dry frizzy hair, and honey and banana deep conditioning bar. All this we'll be doing practically. So next is sprays, bars, oils, and hair care products, formulating a detangling spray, formulating a conditioning bar, hair treatments and styling products, and how to formulate a hair oil and a hair mask. So how to formulate a hair wax, dry shampoo, herbal shampoo, mineral mask, frizz control spray, and also special scalp care products like scalp cleanser, scalp serum, hair gel, heat protection spray. And in this, we'll be formulating, practically we'll be formulating Argan Beauty butter for hair wax, anti-frizz spray, purifying dry shampoo with clay, detox clay hair mask, Ayurvedic color protect paste shampoo. All this will be formulating practically. And kids formulation, special products for kids. That is formulating tear-free shampoo, natural conditioner, detangling spray, body wash, and a Play-Doh soap. So in that practically we'll be doing tear-free children shampoo, 2-in-1 kids shampoo and body wash, Play-Doh shampoo, children's detangling spray, lime and coconut conditioner. So just by using a set of products, you'll be able to start your own cosmetics brand. But in this course, we are teaching all the products to open a complete beauty store. We are teaching every product that is available, and men's formulation, that is mustache wax, beard oil, beard balm, shaving bar, and shaving foam. In that practical lessons, you'll be doing mustache styling wax, high quality beard oil, beard balm, shaving bar, and shaving foam. And we'll be doing activated serums, that is using antioxidants and their uses, vitamins and their uses, active ingredients and their therapeutic benefits, active botanicals and their therapeutic benefits, and formulating oil-based serum, formulating vitamin C serum, formulating a anti-inflammatory serum, formulating a ceramides-rich serum, formulating a lip serum using vitamin C and coenzyme Q10. And you'll be formulating a pressed serum, gel-based serum, serum for hyperpigmentation, hyaluronic acid serum, neaminidase serum, and eye serum, vitamin A anti-aging serum. And in the practical lesson, we'll be formulating cherry radiance mask, superfruit toner, peppermint fruit cream, and regenerating night cream, honey and green tea toner, an antioxidant concentrate serum with vitamin C, barrier support serum with ceramides, repairing lip serum with vitamin C and coenzyme Q10, golden rose pressed serum, brightening serum, moisture boost serum, and antioxidant rich soft gel serum, balancing gel cream serum with niacinamide, and toning eye serum with caffeine, anti-aging night serum with vitamin A, anti-redness biface serum with Gotukala, anti-pollution biface serum, and exfoliating AHA biface serum. There are brands like Minimalist which are selling only serum and they are earning in crores. So think about making all these products. You have everything. You have the knowledge to formulate any product, any skincare product. And at the end of the course, you will be having so many products which you can start your own brand and then you can expand your brand. And soap making. So you'll be learning introduction to soap making, theory of saffronification, safety instruction for soap making, and introduction to lye. What is a cold process soap? And in that, you'll be learning to formulate a castile soap, coconut soap, nourishing soap, gentle soap, exfoliating soap, mineral clay soap, African black soap, cupcake soap. And you'll be learning milk soap, honey soap, Himalayan salt soap, beer soap, and soap decoration techniques. And in that, you'll be formulating exfoliating gardener soap, charcoal purifying soap, rose clay soap, African black soap, nourishing milk soap, gentle honey soap, pink exfoliating salt soap. All this will be doing practically. And party ready products like formulating a hair perfume, formulating a hair styling spray. All these are wash off products. Formulating a glitter spray, formulating a hair shine mist, formulating a glitter gel, formulating a color gel, hair mousse, and blemish cream. And in that, practically, we'll be doing all these products: hair perfume, sensual feminine hair perfume, fresh kick hair perfume, that is different flavors of hair perfume, natural hair styling spray, glitter spray formula for hair, hair shine mist, glitter gel, color gel, natural hair mousse, and blemish cream. So the diploma in cosmetic science course, which is a advanced level course, and the course fee is 60,000. We have very limited seats left. So I know every one of you are interested to enroll in the course. So the offline classes, daily classes will happen in BTM layout second stage. So it is in the outer ring road itself. And uh, those of you, if you have any questions, you can ask in the chat box. And if you want to enroll in the course, you can now make the payment of rupees 5,000. This is the booking fee, admission fee. So you can GPay or phone pay to the number which is shown on the screen to book your seat. So don't miss this opportunity. I know every one of you have joined today's session because you want to start your own cosmetics brand. Now it is the time for you to take your first step. You can pay the admission fee of 5,000 today. And in the last week of June, you can pay 25,000, the first installment. And July 2nd, that is July last week, you can pay the second installment of 30,000. So the total course fee is 60,000. So we are taking only very limited seats. So still, if you have any questions, you can post in the chat box. Yes, the offline class timing is 10 to 3 p.m. So it will happen daily, Monday to Friday. So any other questions you have, you can post in the chat box. Once you make the payment, kindly share the name, email address, phone number, and screenshot to the number which I'm sending you. 8807467385. This is the same number in which you have received all the details about today's session. So, Faiza, we have many PGs in that area, paying guest, many accommodations available in that area. So, definitely we can also check for you. But BTM layout, JP Nagar, Jayanagar, there is many PGs available. So, easily you can stay there and you can learn. And yes, the course fee installment, first installment, you'll have to pay at the end of June. But now you can pay the admission fee. Admission fee is rupees 5,000. So I have shared the details already, the GPay number. And at the end of June, we'll be sending you a link which you can pay the first installment of 25,000. Yes, Faiza, the course duration is total 6 months. And Rupal, definitely you can do that. So once you make the payment, kindly share the name, email address, phone number, and screenshot to the number which I've shared already. So this course will definitely help you to start your own cosmetics business. You definitely help you to become a brand owner. Rupal, you're looking for online classes or offline classes? Please let me know in the chat box. So the classes will be both theory lessons and hands-on practice will be there. And during the course, you'll be getting 30,000 worth raw materials. If you're doing online also or offline also, we'll be giving you the raw materials. And for offline, online mode, we'll be sending the raw materials to your address. Packaging supplies worth rupees 10,000 will be given during the course itself. And books, bag, bottle, and lab coat, everything will be giving you. Rupal, I would suggest offline is better if you're from Bangalore, but you can do it hybrid mode also. When you can come to the academy. If not, you can join online. Both the options are there. Anyways, we'll be online from 10 a.m. till 3 p.m. We'll be online. So you can join the classes in any mode. So Raghunath, the fee structure, it is 60,000. So you can, if you need installment option, you can make the payment of rupees 5,000 today to book your seats because we have very limited seats left. So you can make the payment of 5,000 and we'll reserve your seat. So at the end of June month, the last week, you can pay 25,000. We'll intimate you through WhatsApp. And in the July month, at the last week, you can pay 30,000. So, but don't miss the seats. We have very limited seats. We are not taking more students because this is both online and offline. So only limited seats we are taking. So keep the online classes. We'll be sending you module wise according to that module. If August 5th, we are starting the classes. So we'll be sending the raw materials to your address. So along with us, you'll be able to practice the cosmetic products. Once that module is over, next module will be sending you the raw materials. So Sumaila, you can search for Ola Experience Center in BTM layout. It is there in the outer ring road itself, near the metro station. So it is on the main road. It is very easy. It is nearby JP Nagar, Jay Nagar, everything is nearby. So it is very easy to come. Even if you're joining from those of you who are asking for online mode, we would recommend at least you can come to the academy for 2 or 3 weeks, and you can stay in the PG. If you're not from Bangalore, you can stay in the PG and you can attend the classes. So Kirti, the charges are same for online classes and offline classes. We are giving you the raw materials, same thing. Only the difference is you're going to attend from your own home or you'll be in the academy. Only that difference. The same materials which we are giving for the offline classes, we'll be sending it to you. So Kirti, it is online classes also, it is live classes. But for everyone, pre-recorded LMS portal will be there. Because 1 or 2 years after that, if you again want to do some product and you forgot the making method or something, the LMS portal access will be with you so that you can access the classes anytime. The classes will be with you. So that is why we are giving the complete access to you. So those of you who have made the payment, kindly share the name, email address and phone number so that we'll be able to confirm your payment. And since since this is a live class and we want to give complete attention for everyone, we want to clear the doubts of everyone and we want to provide 100% classes and 100% learning experience. That is why we are taking very limited seats. And Faiza, no age limit, no qualification. It is a beginner friendly course, so anyone can join. And Kirti, no, sorry. We are only pre-recorded classes option is not available because we want to give you everything because raw materials and everything. When you are learning, we want you to be completely focused everyday learning. And if you have the raw materials with you, along with us, you will be able to formulate the cosmetic products, right? So Faiza, beginner friendly course. It is not a basic course. This is the most advanced course which we are offering. But I meant to say this is a beginner friendly course. So if you do not have any experience in this field, definitely this course you can join and you can do. It is completely beginner friendly. And Harini, so I'll share the website here. So Preeti, we received your payment. Welcome to the Institute of Cosmetic Science. We only have very few seats left, so don't miss this opportunity. Others who have made the payment, kindly share the name, email address, phone number, and screenshot. So I'm sharing the website for your reference in the chat box. So let me explain. The classes will be both theory and hands-on practice. And as I said, we'll be giving you 30,000 worth raw materials during the classes. And we'll be giving you 10,000 worth packaging materials also because during the class itself, we want you to formulate cosmetic products. We want you to keep all the products ready because these products which we are teaching has a shelf life of 1 to 3 years. So once you complete the course, you'll have a complete every product ready for you to start your own brand. So once after the course, once you sell the products, you will have all the money which you have invested already. So during the course itself, you can start selling the products and we'll be giving you the books, bag, bottle and lab coat and You'll also be receiving a very valuable certificate and a memento after completing the course. We'll be having a graduation ceremony and we'll be giving you the certificate and memento. And it will be a great learning experience for you because it is not like a theory session. It is not like something like IT or something. Here you are going to visualize, we are going to use the raw materials and you are going to formulate cosmetic product. Every day you'll be using so many different raw materials and fragrance oils, essential oils, natural botanicals, and you'll be infusing the natural dried flowers and everything. You'll be making the botanicals and you'll be formulating beautiful cosmetic products, which will give you a lot of confidence when you do it practically, when you have all the raw materials and 6 months every day you'll be formulating cosmetic products. Think about how interesting the course will be. So you'll have the course materials also with you, and at the end of the course you'll have so many cosmetic products which you can readily start selling the products. So let me show the brands which have been started by our students. Let me show our Facebook support group where we have all our students. So every day they formulate cosmetic products. Sorry. So this is the Facebook support group, and we have all our students in this Facebook support group. And every day, when our students they formulate cosmetic products, they will post in this group, and we encourage them. Even today, one of our student has started her own brand. She has started her own shop. So they formulate beautiful cosmetic products, and they post it in this group. And every of our students they will also reply to the like products and the questions they are asking, and I will also be answering the questions. So Faiza, the classes starts from August 5th onwards. So the admissions will be closing this weekend. So this is the last webinar we are having for admissions. We'll have to check if any seats are left. Only then we'll be having admissions after this. So we have very limited seats. So if you want to confirm your seat, then you'll have to pay 5,000 and book your seat today. And Rupal, we received your payment. Welcome to Institute of Cosmetic Science. Rupal, we got 3,000 for from you. So those of you who would like to get the seats booked, admission fee is 5,000. So we will block your seat. And so Harini, once you complete this course, we also have a advanced, more advanced level like color cosmetics course, but that is not a beginner friendly course. Once you complete this course, you can definitely join the color cosmetic course, in which you will be learning to formulate lipstick, foundation, compact, and blush, concealer, everything, highlighter, every product which is natural. It can be used even for kids, but this course will give you, because not in India, Institute of Cosmetic Science is the only academy where we teach cosmetic science. So other academies are not central government certified. This is the only central government certified academy which comes under the NIFDTB Academy. So we have our branch in Tamil Nadu also, but that is not for cosmetic science. Only in Bangalore we have cosmetic science exclusively. So in that, once you complete this course, you get the option to learn commercial cosmetic products that is not natural, and even the color cosmetic products. But For that, you will have to complete this course. This course is a great beginning for you to enter into the cosmetic science field. So you can see here so many beautiful cosmetic products. Our students, so many of them, they have started their own brand and they are selling beautiful cosmetic products, handmade, natural, and they have getting so many orders. Nobody will be formulating so many cosmetic products without getting orders, right? So the demand for the natural cosmetic products is so high. That is why our students are getting so many orders, and many of them are successful brand owners. From their own home, they are making these cosmetic products. Some of them, they have started their own shop and they are selling the cosmetic products. And some of them, they are selling it in Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa. So basically, they are getting so many orders and they are so successful. We are also very proud of our students. So it will be a great learning experience for you. After you complete the course, we'll be giving you the memento and certificate, which is very, very valuable. We'll be having a convocation ceremony in the academy, and we'll be giving you the certificate. So definitely you'll be able to start your own cosmetics business just like our students, and you'll be able to formulate beautiful cosmetic products. So don't miss this opportunity. As I said, we are not taking more number of students. We are taking very less number of students because we want to give 100% guidance for you. We want to make people successful. So I cannot make everyone successful, right? We the concentration will not be there. That is why we are taking very limited students, and we will make sure that you start your own cosmetics business at the end of the course. So let us see some reviews from our students. So last time what happened is after the webinar, we got many requests for joining the course last batch. Once the seats were full, after that we got many requests and we were not able to uh, give them the seats because we have only particular limited number of seats. So don't miss the opportunity now, and later we won't be able to accommodate you in the program. So if you want to enroll in the course, if you are really interested to start your own cosmetics brand, make your reservation today. You can pay 5,000, which will be a admission fee. We are giving you, if you want installment options, you can make the payment of 25,000 at the end of June month, and 30,000 at the end of July month in the last week. So don't miss this opportunity later. Definitely you will regret if you miss this opportunity today. Once the seats are full, we'll be closing the offer. After that, we'll not be taking students again till December. So again, December only we'll be able to accommodate you. But the time which you are missing now, within December, you'll be able to complete your course. You'll be able to start your own brand. So if you miss the time now, then everything will get delayed, right? So don't miss this opportunity. So let us see a review from one of our students who has joined internationally and she has completed the course.
Hi, I want to thank NIFDTB for their amazing course, and I had a wonderful time learning from Rexy ma'am. She was amazing and very helpful throughout the entire process. Thank you.
So, Faiza, it is not like time to register. It is only based on the seats. We have very limited seats. That is the issue. We cannot give the time based, because if within that time the seats are full, then I won't be able to help you, right? So that is why we are telling you to register by paying rupees 5,000 and we'll hold your seat. So even if you're joining, many of you, if you're joining from other places or if you're joining from international location, definitely you can also join the course. And those of you who are asking for EMI options, if you want to pay through your credit card, then you can leave your email and phone number in the chat box. Don't worry, it is not visible to others. It will be visible only to me. So you can leave your name, email address and phone number. We'll give you the link to make the payment using credit card also. So in the credit card, you can pay the 60,000 will be split into 12 installments. You can pay in installment also. So for that, you'll have to leave your name, email address, phone number in the chat box. So others who have made the payment, kindly share the name, email address, phone number to this number 8807467385. And Harini, sorry, we are not open on Saturday. We are open on Monday to Friday. So weekends we are closed. So if you want to visit the academy, you can visit on Monday from 10 a.m. till 3 p.m. I'll be there. You can visit on from Monday to Friday. And Jyoti, duration of the course, it is a 6 months course. It will start from August 5th onwards till 6 months we have the classes. So it will be both online mode and offline mode. So we prefer, if you are from Bangalore, kindly join the offline mode. It will be very helpful for you. It will be very, very interesting. So, but if you're not from Bangalore, or if you are working and you cannot attend the offline classes, then you can join through the online mode also. So we have so many doctors who have done the course, who have formulated cosmetic products. Now they are formulating cosmetic products for their patients. So let us see a review from a doctor.
Hello, I'm Dr. Bharti Kumar, and it was a really nice experience to have the learnings from your institute. And I'm very sure that all of you might be helping thousands of people to stand up on their own feet and be independent financially. The course is well designed, well explained, and I'm happy that I completed my learnings from your institute. Thanks a lot.
So just like her, if you are a doctor, definitely this course is going to be very helpful for you. So if you are a beautician, or the great option is you can make cosmetic products, you can target beauticians, and you can sell the cosmetic products for beauticians. You can make complete facial kit and you can give for your for the beauty parlors, for makeup artists. Definitely you'll be getting a lot of orders from them, because in Bangalore we have thousands of beauty parlors. So if you just supply for beauty parlors, you'll be earning a lot. And these are products like made using complete natural organic ingredients. That is, every ingredient is organic certified. So when you formulate the product, you can sell it as organic cosmetic products. So organic cosmetic products has to be sold for a higher price than the market based products. So these products have a profit margin with that is very, very high. So we have many home based homemakers who have done this course and started their business. So let us see a review from a homemaker.
Hi, this is Ishwari Preetham. So I did a diploma course in cosmetology in your academy, and it is very, very useful to me. I am able to start a small scale business, and customers are regularly asking for face washes, melt and pour soaps. That is going on well. Thank you so much for introducing me to all these.
So just like if you're a homemaker, if you're a college going student, definitely this course is going to be very helpful for you. You can make beautiful products like this. This is a red wine face gel made using non-alcoholic red wine. So you can make scrubs like this. This is a walnut and sweet orange scrub. You can make scrubs like this, and face packs. You can make like this. This is French green clay face pack. Likewise, you can also formulate beautiful face packs, creams and scrubs and lotions, face wash, everything you'll be able to learn and formulate at the same time, because you'll be getting the raw materials also. Every day will be very, very interesting. Definitely this course will be very helpful for you. So don't miss this opportunity. So I think our seats are already getting filled. So we have, I think, 2 more seats left. So Thank you everyone for joining today's session. We only have 2 more seats left. So if you are really interested in starting your own cosmetics business, don't miss this opportunity. So we'll be keeping the seats open till 10 p.m. today. You can make the payment of 5,000 to book your seats, and we'll be holding your seat for you. So don't miss this opportunity. In case you have any question, kindly WhatsApp to 8807467385. And once you make the payment, don't forget to share the screenshot to this number so that we'll be able to confirm your payment. And I'll wait another few minutes. If you want to ask any questions, you can post in the chat box. And those of you who have made the admission fee, kindly share the name, email address, phone number, and screenshot. And those of you who have the doubt about what is the fees, it is 60,000. The total course fee is 60,000. To block your seat, you have to pay 5,000 for admission fee. And the first installment of 25,000 you'll have to pay at the end of June. And the second installment of 30,000 you can pay at the end of July. So the closing time, we have only 2 seats left. You can make your payment of admission fee of 5,000 till 10 p.m. today, so that we'll hold your seat. And also for if you need any option for making the credit card payment with no cost EMI, you can WhatsApp to the same number 8807467385. So I wish to see every one of you inside the course. I wish to see you in the academy and do the course along with us. And definitely this course is going to help you to start your own cosmetics brand. I know every one of you have joined today's session, and you are still here because you are interested in starting your own cosmetics brand. For that, you have to take another step by enrolling in the course. Definitely this course will make you an entrepreneur. Thank you so much for joining today's session. And Faiza, timings of the course is 10 a.m. till 3 p.m. every day. So if you're going to come from, you said you're coming from Mysore, right? So you can stay here for 3 months, and you can go back and do the online, learn through online mode also if you want. Or you can do the complete course by staying here. So any option is available, because anyways will be online and offline also. Offline will be very helpful for you. If not, you can do hybrid mode also. All the options are there with you. So don't miss this opportunity. You can pay the admission fee and you can block your seat till 10 p.m. today. Thank you so much, everyone. Still, if you have any question, you can always WhatsApp to the number which I've shared with you. So Faiza, you don't have to worry about that. We'll be providing the all the raw materials. If you're going to come to the academy and learn, then you don't have to have any backup with you. But if you're going to do it from your home, then you'll need to get some measuring equipments, maybe 4 or 5,000 rupees in your hand. That extra, that is enough for you. Other things will be sending it to you. So this is a very minimal investment which you're doing to learn something so good, so much useful to you. Definitely, it will give you a great start for your career. So Faiza, you can message us in the number which I've given you so that I'll be able to answer your question. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Faiza.